Prananda, good afternoon, and I'm sorry I can't be with you today, but I just wanted to let you know how excited I am about the launch of the Life Sciences Hub Wales. The life sciences industry not only represents one of the most vibrant and powerful economic sectors in Wales, but it's also significant because its exploitation of innovation and technology drives improved health outcomes. We live in an age of unprecedented change, which brings with it huge opportunity. And the key to seizing this opportunity lies purely in innovation. Innovation in healthcare has led to people living longer, healthier lives. The development of scientific ventures and the adoption of innovation platforms developed by industry can support the health and care sector to meet the challenges that come with an ageing population. Innovation is the key to the ongoing success and future of the life sciences sector in Wales, as it is for our economy as a whole. With this in mind, last year I approved the forward strategy of the Life Sciences Hub Wales to deliver a new mission to align business with the needs of the Welsh health and care sector and to promote innovation and to accelerate adoption into the NHS in Wales. And with its broadened scope, the Hub will be able to create real health benefits from engagement with industry and academia by encouraging co-design with stakeholders across health, industry, government and academia to bring forward innovative solutions. This will deliver lasting health benefits to our communities and our future generations. The Hub is well positioned to flourish as a key element in the Welsh Government's mission to accelerate economic development activity within the life sciences sector. This afternoon, you will hear from both the Chair and the CEO of the Hub, who will share with you our plans for driving this agenda. Now, back in December, I launched my Economic Action Plan for Wales, a plan which sets out a very clear vision. It's a vision of inclusive growth, supercharged industries of tomorrow, and regions that are empowered to be as successful as they can possibly be. The Economic Action Plan commits us to accelerating innovation and enhancing cross-cutting collaboration between the NHS, academia and industry. A key theme of the Economic Action Plan is streamlining and simplifying our support to business, and for life sciences in Wales, the newly repurposed Hub delivers just that. The Hub presents a single point of focus to help deliver systemic change and accelerated implementation of innovation into health and care services. Now, unless we change our future today, we will never grasp the opportunities of tomorrow. And so I challenge each and every one of you to be part of that change in partnership with the Life Sciences Hub. Let's work together, as it's only together that we will achieve our shared goals of a wealthier, healthier, more creative and more innovative Wales. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Good afternoon. Like my colleague Ken Skates, I'm sorry that I can't be with you today. I am, however, very enthusiastic about the launch of the new strategy and mission for Wales's Life Sciences Hub, particularly in view of the benefit this will bring to my own portfolio. The Welsh policy environment is highly conducive to supporting and driving innovation across the health and life sciences landscape. Wales is already home to some of the world's most progressive companies within the life sciences industry, and we're well placed in terms of scale, integration and access to markets to exploit and develop new business opportunity. I've also seen how our health and care system can deliver world-leading innovation through our unique advantage of scale, integration and support that we leverage to great effect. With that in mind, I know that a more open relationship between our health and care system in Wales and external partners from industry and academia will deliver additional and significant value. In the context of prosperity for all, that sets out this government's determination to combine policy aims in a much more integrated way. My ambition is to continue to build on those strong foundations, and the repurposed Life Sciences Hub is perfectly placed to support the delivery of this. You may also recently heard about the announcement of a £33 million new funding for two new initiatives to support the development and deployment of innovative healthcare products and services to improve patient outcomes and boost the economy with hundreds of high-quality jobs. £24 million of this funding goes to Accelerate, the Wealth Health Innovation and Technology Accelerator. Accelerate is a 3-year all-Wales programme with £12 million of this funding coming from the European Union. Accelerate also benefits through the Efficiency Through Technology programme, funding support from my own health and social services portfolio in view of the benefit it will bring to NHS Wales. It's therefore fitting that Accelerate will coordinate through the Life Sciences Hub Wales in order to present a single all-Wales front door for innovation and external engagement. Cardiff, Swansea and Trinity St David universities are the academic partners who bring their own expertise. Accelerate, in line with the repurposed role of the Life Sciences Hub, will engage widely across NHS Wales as both a source and beneficiary of innovation, supported by established businesses with the capability to reach through sector value and supply chains through push and pull mechanisms. A further £9 million will be used to create additional health innovation centres across Wales. The core aim is to develop cutting-edge technology to including the prevention and management of long-term and chronic conditions. Organisations will be able to bid to this £9 million fund to develop innovation centres similar to the Wounded and Respiratory Innovation Centres. Those centres will bring together experts and partners in health, academia and business to develop, test and implement new ideas for the prevention and cure of chronic conditions as well as new and emerging technologies. Accelerating the implementation of innovation into Welsh health and care services can help deliver the systematic change needed for the long-term sustainability of our services, and the Life Sciences Hub is ideally placed to support this activity. This funding and initiatives linked to the repurposed Life Sciences Hub is a statement towards innovation, in line with what we already know is possible in Wales, a small but innovative and integrated nation which is very much open for business. Diolch yn fawr am gwrando. Thank you for listening.